Hi dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial I want to show you how to add swipe up link on Snapchat story. So before starting the process, I would like to ask, please subscribe my YouTube channel and give a like on this video. So without spending more time, let's get started. So first of all, open your Snapchat app that you have installed. So if you want to add the swipe up link, so first you just need to create your Snapchat story. So I want to create the story with the background solid color. Now I want to add the link to my Snapchat story. So as you can see, there's a little attached icon. So simply tap on this one, and here you can simply search any URL that you want to add to your Snapchat swipe up link. But I want to add my Instagram account link here. First I want to search my Instagram account here, and you can simply copy your Instagram profile link or any kind of link you can also paste to your Snapchat swipe up link. Now I have copied my Instagram profile link, and here I want to just paste it, and here you can simply search the link that you have added to your Snapchat, and here you can see it search my Instagram account. Now you can see there's a little attached to Snapchat option, so simply tap on this one, and now you can see the link is successfully attached. So now I want to make this Snapchat story. Now after publishing your Snapchat story, so someone visit your Snapchat story, so he will be easily enabled to swipe up your Snapchat story. So now I want to swipe up the screen, and now here you will find, guys, the link option. Now here we find, guys, the link option. So if someone tap on the link, so he will go to the my Instagram page that I have mentioned on the swipe up link. So this is very useful way to add the swipe up link on Snapchat stories. So this is very simple way to add the swipe up link on Snapchat stories. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to get the more videos regarding Snapchat, so you just need to subscribe my YouTube channel for more latest videos. Thank you so much for watching.